'Cause you got stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind. I thought I'd...
Alright, this is something called the Snapshot tool, and it's available in, or Snapshot feature, I guess I should say. It's something that's available in the history palette, and I'm just going to show you what it does. So if I have like a bunch of different steps that have been done to this particular design, and I want to save like exactly where I am in this part of this design, I'm going to come over here and hit create new snapshot. And what that does is up here at the top, it toggles this on. It creates a snapshot of where exactly I am in this process. So now I can name this like after I've deleted the background, right? And so then I'll know exactly where I was in this process, and I can come back to it at any time. And then up here I would name this one the start. And here you can clearly see, like if I come over to my design, that I click that and it basically is a blank canvas because it is where I started along the way. So then if I want to go back to where I was, I can do this, and now you'll see all the history comes back. Everything is exactly set up the way that it was before. So that's just a really quick way of like saving your progress along the way. And there might be like things that you're experimenting with and you're doing in your graphic design pieces. And so you would use that little snapshot feature to say, oh, okay, now I'm going to start my experiment. Like I would even name the snapshot like before experiment. And then I would come back to it afterwards and say after the experiment, and then you can toggle it on and off. So like, I'll try to show you in another little recording how that would look.
'Cause you got stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind, stuck in my mind. I thought I'd...